Guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in home, which for us of course serves as a bulletin board to our English 127 creative writing course. And let's see what we have on our bulletin board this week. Week 11, our to-do list and modules, April 20th to the 26th. We have Curtis Sittenfeld's 2017 short story, The Prairie Wife. We are completing the peer evaluations. We have a new short story, Paul Yoon's 2016 short story, Vladivostok Station. You're going to post the essay answering my questions in the directions for the discussion of Paul Yoon's story. We have Flash Fiction 2, a short story of 300 words or fewer. We have our current Lolita online journal, part 2, chapters 4 to 11. And we are finishing up our great writing share out. Also, please submit any late work. I'm going to give one more week of amnesty for late work in the COVID-19 era. I know this is a surreal situation and we're all a little stressed and dealing with different things. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox. You're never bothering me. Talk to me. Let me know what's going on. I'm going to click on the week 11 to-do list for a moment just to remind you of something. I'm clicking on the Curtis Sittenfeld short story, and I wanted to remind you of two things. First, Curtis Sittenfeld is a woman. Curtis Sittenfeld is not a guy. I know it sounds like a guy's name. She took her middle name and her last name, but she is a woman. Okay, scrolling down, I wanted to remind you of one more thing. We see Catherine's posting right here, and below her essay thread, you'll see a question from me. Remember to respond to my questions, okay? And I'm looking at Ariana's essay thread. You see a question from me. Remember to respond. And also Ariana has a posting, a response to her essay from Raven. She needs to respond to it. So please remember to respond to my questions and those of your peers below your essays. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here and I care. All right, let's have a good week.